One shot, one aim, one stage, one name. There are no rules to this game, so go out with a bang. Only one spot on top, one claim to fame. If I'm going out with a bang. So you wanna hang with a bang star like me? And if you're going out with a bang energy. Bang! Bang, bang! So out with the bang. You wanna hang with a bang shot like me, get a bang energy.
That's all you ask of me, darling, it is no joke. This is lycanthropy. The moon's awake now, with eyes wide open. My body is craving, so feed the hungry. I've been devoting myself to you Monday to Monday and Friday to Friday. Not getting enough retribution or decent incentives to keep me at it. I'm starting to feel just a little abused, like a coffee machine in an office. So I'm gonna go somewhere cozy to get me a lover and tell you about it. She wolf in the closet, open up and set us free. She's a she wolf in your closet, let it out so it can breathe. Sitting across the bar, staring right at her prey. It's going well so far, she's gonna nocturnal creatures are not so prudent. The moon's my teacher, and I'm her student. To look at the single man, I got on me a special radar. On the fire department hotline in case I get in trouble later. Not looking for cute little divas or rich city guys I just want to enjoy. But having a very good time and behave very bad in the arms of a boy. There's a she wolf in the closet, open up and set us free. There's a she wolf in your closet, let it out so it can breathe. She's in disguise. She's in disguise. There's a she wolf in disguise. Coming out, coming out, coming out. She's in disguise. She's in disguise. There's a she wolf in disguise. Coming out, coming out, coming out. There's a she wolf in your closet, let it out so it can breathe.